Hi guys. Let's start with Eclipse is an integrated development environment, IDE, designed to develop applications using the Java programming language and other programming languages such as C, C++, Python, Perl, Ruby, etc. Developed using Java, the Eclipse platform can be used to develop rich client applications, integrated development environments and other tools. You can download Eclipse from http://www.eclipse.org web link. Java developers typically use Eclipse Classic or Eclipse IDE to develop Java applications. The Eclipse window can contain multiple editors and views, but only one of them is active at any given time. 5 steps to install Eclipse. 1. Download the Eclipse installer. Download the Eclipse installer at www.eclipse.org web link. 2. Launch the executable of the Eclipse installer. Start the installer. X file. 3. Select the package to install. Several packages available for Eclipse users. Select on the package you want to install. 4. Choose the installation folder. Select the install button to begin the installation. 5. Launch Eclipse. After installation, you can launch Eclipse. Good coding. Step-by-step guide to Android development with Eclipse or how to create applications in an IDE. Set up the Android development environment. You must have Windows XP or later, or Mac OS X 10.5.8 or later. Then you will need 4 free tools on the internet. 1. Java JDK. 2. Android SDK. 3. Eclipse IDE developers for Java. 4. Eclipse plugin for Android development tools, ADT. 1. Configuring the Java Development Kit, JDK. 2. Android SDK configuration. 3. Eclipse IDE configuration, the latest version of Eclipse. 4. Configuring the Android Development Tools plugin, ADT. Click Help Software Updates install. Then OK. 5. Create an Android virtual device. Launch Windows AVD Manager, and then click Create Android Virtual Device. Call the Java code. Launch Eclipse and click File New Java Project. Give a name to your project. Click Finish to save it. We now need to add a Java class, which is as simple as adding a Java package. To create the application, right-click on your Android project and select Android Tools. Export the package of the signed application. After, select Create a new key store. Give him a name and save it. Fill in all the required fields. You will have an app file that you can test on your Android device. Try your app. The test is as important as the development of the application because your application will be of no use if it does not run correctly or if it displays errors. You can also test your application in Eclipse with ADT. Congratulations! You have now your first application with Eclipse. That's all for today. See you in another video.